Okay, so in the previous lesson, we've created a table of enrollments where a user can enroll to a course, and if a user is enrolled to a course, he'll also be able to leave a rating and a review. Now we've also created a button so that a user can see whether he has already signed up to the course, or he is the owner of the course, or he can actually buy the course. Now we're going to work on the policies. So only admin users will be able to see the list of enrollments. Only the owners of the enrollments, meaning the person who enrolled to a course, will be able to leave a review from his name, and only the admin will be able to delete an enrollment if he deems necessary. So first we're going to create a new policy. It's going to be the enrollment policy. Let's create the file. Okay, now we'll just copy the lesson policy and add it on top of it. So enrollment policy. Here we're going to have a policy for the index action. So only users that are admins will be able to see the index. Next, we'll have the edit, update, and destroy actions. So only admins will be able to destroy the record, and only the person to whom the enrollment belongs will be able to edit and update it. Now here I also forgot to rename, so enrollment, and here, so it's going to be the record.userid equals user ID. Okay, now we are going to add this to our controller. So we are going to our enrollments controller, and we're going to add authorization. So authorize enrollments. It's for the index action. Next, we're going to have for edit, update, and destroy. So destroy, authorize enrollment, update, authorize enrollment, and edit, also authorize enrollment. Okay, now let's see if it works. So let's refresh our enrollments page, and we are not allowed to perform this action, so we can't open this page because the current user is not an admin. Okay, now for the sake of testing, we're going to comment this line, and we're going to see some other actions. So we're trying to edit a course that does not belong to this user. And you see that the user is not authorized to perform this action. Okay, good. Now, I also noticed that our current user can see the list of all users. Now, should we let it happen? I don't think so. So we're going to let only admin users see the whole list of all users. So we're going to our users policy. Let's see where it is. Policies, user policy, and we're going to also authorize the index action. So we take index. Okay, now we're going to users controller, and we're going to authorize users. Let's see if it works. So we refresh, and we're not authorized to perform this action. Good. Now let's go back to our enrollments controller and comment this authorize. So our user is a student, and he can't see the list of all the students, and he cannot access enrollments.